Welcome back to the Scotty Animation channel. This is a portable Commodore 128 Commodore. It's a Raspberry Pi Zero running BMC64 in a Tandy 1400 case using the original Tandy 1400 keyboard via a Teensy 2++ microcontroller connected to the Raspberry Pi Zero running BMC64, and it's done. I've been working on this for a couple of weeks, and I actually got the idea from some other YouTube people. One of them was trying to fix a power supply on a Tandy 1400, and the other YouTuber was like making a suggestion to I think the people that made the Mega 65 to make a portable Commodore 128, I think, or something like that. Anyway, it's like, hey, that's a pretty good idea. So, but the build of this I will show later on in the video if you want to watch it. It's basically about it being done, and so speaker in it, SD card, so there's no disk drives to mess with. Those are fake, and just turn the computer off. They power off too. Turn the computer back on. BMC 64 bits up real quick. I also got a reset button there on the side. You can kind of see it sneaking out there. Little red button. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Keyboard's really nice. So, alright, thanks for watching. I will show more details about this build later on in the video, like I said before, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.